In the last video, I showed you how to use the min value attribute for parameters within commands in the Amilious Console. In this video, I'm going to continue on with this, and I'm going to show you the min value's brother, max value. So down here we have this damage method that we've been working on before, and I'm going to go ahead and add a max value to our damage amount. I'm going to set the max value to 50. So this means the amount has to be less than or equal to 50. Otherwise, the command will not execute. Now, one thing to keep in mind here, this max value attribute does work for all numeric types and also strings. If you use it for a string, it's going to compare the string length with this number. All right, I'm going to go ahead and save and jump over to Unity. Wait for the project to build and we'll run. And now once it's up, we're going to go ahead and test this out. We're going to go to our health commands and go to damage. I'm going to try to damage the player by 100 points. We cannot. It needs to be equal to or less than 50. So let's try it again, but let's change this 100 to 50. And now you can see it will work. The command executed and we did 50 damage to the player. That's it for this parameter, or this attribute, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.